Hi guys, welcome once again to Cooking with Tita right here in my kitchen. Today I'm gonna share my carbonara recipe. So come on, cook with Tita. Well, first and foremost, we're gonna go through our ingredients. You can use either fettuccine or linguine pasta, okay? So I have 2 pounds of that here, 1 pint of mushroom, white, already been washed, half a cup of sweet peas, 1 package of hickory smoked bacon. You can use any bacon, but today I'm using hickory smoked bacon. I have a little bit of a parsley for garnished. I have 3 tablespoons of Parmesan cheese for topping, okay? Before we put the garnish in there, okay? 1 cup of whole milk, room temperature. I have 1 teaspoon garlic salt, 1 teaspoon garlic powder, 1 teaspoon of minced onion, 2 packages of Italian style 6 cheese blend. So it's 16 ounce really because it's 2 packages, okay? Now I have Parmesan, grated Parmesan. You don't have to have this if you don't have it. This is optional. But since I have this, I am going to use this, okay? That's the reason why it's here. If you just have 2 packages, that's sufficient enough, okay? But since I have this, you know, what can go wrong with extra cheese? You know what I'm saying? Okay. And we need a white pepper instead of black pepper. But if you only have black pepper, use that, okay? Nothing wrong with that. But today I'm using a white pepper. Now, as we speak, I have a pot halfway full of water starting to boil. And I also have a frying pan already been preheated to crisp up our bacon. When you crisp your bacon, don't cook it, it's so crispy. Just lightly, okay? Just lightly crisp. So, and also you need 1 tablespoon of salt or to taste to put into your water while you're gonna cook your pasta, okay? Remember that the water doesn't have any flavor and you wanna flavor the water before you put your pasta in there. So with all that being said, we're going to crisp up our bacon, okay? Like I said, this is just being preheated, okay? Since we're gonna use it now, turn it up to medium high. See? Did you hear that sizzle? Okay, we're going to crisp that up. Okay, kinda spread them together so it can get crispy. Leave it about 1 minute and then come back and kinda disturb it again. Okay, after a minute, it's kind of starting to curl up, so let's mix it a little. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and spread it a little like that. It's almost crisp up. We'll see. And see, almost, but no cigar. Oh my gosh. That hickory, smoked hickory flavored. Oh my gosh, it is so good. This is how it looks, okay? Now we're gonna turn the heat to low for right now because we're gonna take this out. You don't want that to and then we're gonna take this out, put him here. Now, looking at this right now, I need to take a little out, just a little, okay? So Okay, half of it. Okay. Oh, that's sufficient. Okay, that is sufficient. All right, that's it. Now we're going to put our mushroom. This has already been washed, like I said. I always wash my mushroom. So we're going to cook this for about two minutes, or just until it's, you know, cook a little. Not too much. You don't want to cook the mushroom too much. You know why? Because when you cook the mushroom too much, you know, for some reason the flavor, the mushroomy flavor, you know, it cooks away. So for me, the white mushroom, that is, but the baby Bella, it's different story. I want that just you know, like al dente. Okay. Oh, I forgot. Okay, when you're sauteing this, you have to turn on your heat to medium high again. Okay. Okay, it's about 1 minute now. We're cooking this thing over here. It's another, let me see. We'll see another 1 minute. Okay, medium high heat, that is. Okay, just like that. And check this out. Our water over here, it's almost boiling. So we're going to put, like I said, 1 tablespoon or more, or to taste, salt in there. Okay. Okay, so over here, our mushroom, it's we'll see another that's done. Okay, that is done. If you already cooked mushroom before, you know when it's cooked, because you know it's brown, a little brown like that, translucent. Okay, we're gonna take it out and leave the whatchamacallit in here. Turn your heat into slow again, into low again. You know why? Because we don't have anything in the pot or in a frying pan. You don't want to burn your frying pan. Okay, let's go over here. Our water's kind of boiling now, so we're going to put our pasta in here. Oh, 2 pounds. Be careful, the water, it's hot, so let it percolate in there. You know, let it cook until it's nice and tender, but not overcooked. Once again, okay, tender but not overcooked. That's what it calls al dente. Now in a couple minutes, come in, disturb it again, because once they release their starch, they tend to stick together. So kinda, you know, separate them as they releases their starch. You understand what I'm saying? So that's that. Over here, we're going to put our spices over here. Okay, okay, like that. All right, just kind of squeeze it, you know, just about 1 minute or so, or not even 1 minute. Just turn your heat to medium. All right, kind of like that. Oh, now I smell the dry spices or aroma. So now it's time for us to put our milk in here. 1 cup of milk. Okay, so kind of, you know, like that. So don't forget your pasta, like I told you. Kind of stir them and separate the pasta, because you don't want them to stick together. All right, so okay. All right, now over here, once this kind of starting to boil, but not boil, I should say when it start bubbling. Okay, which already start bubbling, right? Okay, turn your heat to low. Okay, right, like that. Because the reason being for that, guys, when you put your cheese in there, you don't want your cheese to burn. All right, so now we're going to put the cheese in here. Okay, all the cheese. Okay, now guys, okay, the purpose of this, we're just melting the cheese, okay, and make it so creamy. All right, creamy. Okay. Oh, okay, don't forget your pasta over here. Okay, all right. Okay, so once your cheese been already melted, put your sweet peas in there. Okay, that's pretty, huh? That is so pretty. Like that, like so. With your heat low, otherwise you're gonna burn your cheese. This is gonna be on the top of your carbonara, and it's gonna be delish. Okay, guys? Okay, after you put your peas in there and you already mingled it for 1 minute or so into a low heat, you put back your mushroom, your bacon in there. Okay? All right? Before you mix it, you're gonna put to taste. Okay? Just to taste. This is white pepper. Now the white pepper, it's more stronger than the black pepper. Okay, I like spicy, so I'm gonna put as much as I like. Now you put as much as you like. You see what I'm saying? To taste. That's what it means, to taste. Okay, okay, and then mixed. Now looking at this, I might have to put a little of that pasta liquid in here just to thin my carbonara sauce. Okay, but we'll see. First, let's go and mix it thoroughly. Okay, you don't want to overcook your pasta. Oh yeah, it's al dente. Okay, all right, so we're gonna turn this off, and we're going to put the pasta here. And if you're gonna drain your pasta on your sink, don't drain all of the juice, because you might need some, you know, to thin your sauce. Okay, so that's the reason why I'm not draining it on my sink, because I don't know if you know, if I need some or what. But just to be sure, after we took the pasta out of the pot, we are going to put our sauce in here, all of it. Okay, all right. Oh yeah. Oh my goodness. Okay, scrape all of that goodness in there. Now we're going to put some of this grated Parmesan before we oh my goodness. Now, like I said, this is just extra. The reason why I'm using this, because I have this on hand and I have to use it. So it's up to you. Like I said, who can go wrong with the cheese, right? Okay, mix it really good. Okay, mix it really good. If it's kind of dry, that's why I said don't throw away your liquid. Scoop some, okay, out of there. Yeah, like that. Okay, until the desired Oh yeah. Oh yeah. All right, guys, that's the carbonara. All right. You know, you can eat this by itself, or you can eat it with whatever meat you desire. Let's put some over here. Let's garnish this with fresh parsley from my garden. Just pretty, just garnish. And then top it with Parmesan. Or you don't have to. Here you go, guys. I hope you like my recipe. Let's try it. With the bacon. Oh my gosh. Mushroom. Oh my gosh, guys. This is so delicious. Easy, quick, and delicious. And hearty too. Anyway, guys, thank you so much. And I hope you enjoy my recipe. I'll see you over here when you cook with Tita again, and right here in my kitchen. Like I always say, bon appetit. Bye.